Good afternoon, I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to look at a 2019 3408 by Newmar. This is one of my favorite floor plans. I'm really excited to show it to you. So, all full body paint, no decals. We've got our backup side mirrors here. We've got our side cameras down here. Nice and easy to use, low. It's going to get rid of all that blind spots, etc. Our door swings fully open. The steps are all automatic. This is going to be 3 slide outs. The storage is a lot easier to get to when the slide's in, but they're side swinging doors. Great storage underneath here. It's a little tight through here. Gosh, I wish you could see all of our electronics in here. We've got an automatic awning with wind sensor. We've got our large water tank. We've got expansion ports for our TV if we want to have a TV outside. Well-built unit. One of the best insulated coaches in the United States. Right now we've got our generator on. I think you can hear it. This is going to be an awning 5.5, which is going to power everything in here. Nice little storage area. But this one back here, this one's pretty impressive. It goes all the way through and out the other side. Water here mounted in back. You can kind of hear the generator. It's super quiet. Okay. This is a 50 amp coach with automatic transfer switch, so you don't have to come out and replug the thing in. Great little box for our sewer hose. That way we don't have to put that sewer hose inside our coach anyplace. It's got a dedicated area. It's a gas coach and it's on the 22.5 inch tires, bus size tires we call it. And again, more and more storage. One of my favorite lines is the Newmar line. It's the most trouble-free coach we've got. So you can kind of see how that goes all the way through and out the other side. Nice, easy swing doors. Here's our big propane tank. You know, the air conditioner's on inside. Let's go inside. It's really hot out today. One of the legendary things about Newmar is that they have the best insulation package. It's a 3-inch thick wall instead of a 2-inch thick wall. Keeps it really comfortable in here. It's close to 90 degrees outside. It's 70 degrees inside. Very comfortable. Up here, we've got our Ford dash that Newmar has done a really nice job of integrating into their coach. Heated electric mirrors, automatic hydraulic leveling. And we're going to take and pause for just a moment, and I want you to give a little listen. We've got the engine running, we've got the generator running, and we've got both the air conditioners running. Hear how quiet that is? It's beautiful. We've got a full electric front shade. You push a button, it drops down. We've got pull down side shades, no curtains whatsoever in this coach, all flex steel furniture. If you look at the size of this sofa, this folds out into a queen size bed, a residential queen size bed. Very comfortable. This is a nice booth dinette. It's got the pop-up TV with the Bose sound system. The booth on this side does not make into a bed, but it is very comfortable the way they're using this flex steel with the contoured corner. Get back up in that corner. Oh, it's so comfortable. I love their interior appointment with storage. There's just so much of it. Okay. Storage underneath the booth on pull-out drawers. Beautiful kitchen. You've got the dull side. You got the shiny side. So it comes with built-in cutting boards. Just flip them over. Pull-out faucets. great storage cabinets. All solid surface countertops, sealed 3-burner stove, no holes for food to fall down inside, convection microwave, good sized convection microwave. You can get a 12-pound turkey in there, I believe, without it touching anything. The unique door, it opens like this so that when the slide's in, you can still get in and out of the lavatory facilities without that door bumping up against the slide out and causing some wood damage. Back here in our bedroom, it's a 34-foot coach with a big closet. It's a little unusual for a Bay Star gas coach to have a big storage closet in the back with some drawers, with a great lock so it's not going to go rattle, rattle, rattle. And then this has also got a closet rod and shelves. It's actually a real nice sized storage area. We've got 5 drawers and the entertainment package down here. 34-foot gas coach Newmar with a setup for washer dryer. It's pre-plumbed, pre-wired. Stacked one goes right in there. We've got our TV right across from the bed. It is a residential queen size bed. It's not an RV short bed. It's actually a regular household bed. This is a 3408 Newmar. I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City. If you have any questions about this coach or anything else I can help you with, give me a call. Thanks.